Hi everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to be reviewing one interesting product that I received from melbach.com. So what is it? So it is a wireless charger that we can mount it on Mercedes models. So I've got W204 C-Class from 2008, but I believe that it can be mounted on more Mercedes models. In this video, I'm gonna share my honest review of the product, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to mount it on the car. So the product came pretty well packed with this protection, and it came safely and fastly. As you can see, the product is pretty well made. This texture that they used is pretty similar to the texture, almost the same to the texture that Mercedes uses. On the back, we've got the electronics that is needed for the wireless charging, and we've got the connector. To be honest, I like it. I like how it is made. We've got also USB connection here. I like the product, so let's see how we can mount it on the car. Before I start, I want to say that if you like electronics, if you like gadgets, cars, programming microcontrollers, please consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me, so thank you for that. We also have the tool that we're going to need. Actually, we only need a Torx screwdriver to mount it on the car. So let's see how we can mount it. Let's get started. So let's see how we can put it and install it on my car. So it should go there, so this part should go out and it should be placed on this place. So I'm gonna start the car in order to put it to neutral so I can have more space. I'm gonna turn it off. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to remove this leather part here that is around the shifter. I can do it by turning it from this side. It is easier, so just pull it up. I'm gonna remove this part also. Just pull it up like this, and I'm not going to disconnect anything, just remove it and it can stay here. The next thing is to remove this part. Just gently, so it is not fragile, that fragile, so gently. And we've got two screws here that we can unscrew with the tool that Melbach sent us. The next thing that is needed is to remove this part here just by pulling it like this. This cover thing, and after that we can pull it like this. So this is the lighter. We are gonna disconnect this connector. So just press this part here of the connector and gently take it off. After that, we are gonna put the part here. It is. Where was the connector? I'm gonna use the same connector. They made it so we can reuse it like this. I'm gonna hide the connector below the electronics. Let's put the screws. It's solid. So let's put everything back how it used to be. So it took me not more than 10 minutes, to be honest, like how it came. So let's test the product and see how it actually works. I'm gonna turn on the ignition and I'm gonna put the phone here. Yeah, it starts charging, as you can see. So I honestly recommend the product. It is well made. It does its job, so it works without any problem. If we put the phone, yeah, it starts charging, as you can see. Yeah. So I want to say thanks to melbach.com, and I recommend the product, not because of that they gave me for free, but I would buy this product and I like it. So thank you for watching, and if you like these types of videos, how I said before, please consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. So thank you and bye bye.